protest is going on, and people are questioning the policies pursued by Modi government. In Jharkhand also, there are problems. There are problems, but Modi government has no answer. But Modi, BJP, and all their right-wing conservative allies are targeting opposition parties in Jharkhand in order to intimidate them, in order to cripple their functions. If possible, they want to poach people from opposition parties. That is happening in Jharkhand. And they are raising issues which they think they can polarize the people, they can divide the people. That is why they are raising the issue of conversion, issue of infiltration. If they are serious on issue of infiltration, it is for Mr. Amit Shah and Home Ministry to give explanation to the country. Instead of that, they are targeting some states and raising these issues in order to create confusion and conflicts among various sections of our country, of our state, various communities of our state. This is what we are witnessing in Jharkhand also. Maharashtra also, similar things are happening. So in Jharkhand, Maharashtra also, BJP will be defeated. Jharkhand people have passed through their own experience. They could see how the opposition parties were targeted, including how Mr. Soren was targeted and arrested, as what is happening in the case of Kejriwal in Delhi. So BJP government led by Mr. Modi is using ED and all central agencies, to target opposition party leaders, to intimidate them and cripple their functions, activities. And this happened in Jharkhand. It can continue to happen in Jharkhand. In such a situation, elections will be held in Jharkhand. Our party will be in the elections, and our party will try its best to unite all secular democratic parties which have come under the banner of India Bloc. And our party wants in Jharkhand, India Bloc will have to win the elections. India Bloc will have to teach a lesson to BJP and right-wing forces. So now in Ranchi, our party has its meeting, and our party will discuss our strategy and tactics, how to participate in elections, how to ensure the defeat of BJP, because the results of Jharkhand will have huge impact on this region that includes Bihar, and it can have impact on Uttar Pradesh and other parts, because the caste census has become an issue. And Bihar, we know how the caste census was undertaken. In India, even census has become a question mark. And whether census will happen or not, nobody knows. Because 2011, one census was done, but nothing came in public domain. Again, census, after 10 years, census should have been held, but nothing has happened. Now, caste census has become an issue. And there is no positive approach from the union government headed by Mr. Modi. That is also an issue, and that can be issued here also in Jharkhand. So there are many questions which are of national importance, and BJP, RSS, they are known right-wing communal fascist forces, and they want to perpetuate the inequality in our country.
हमसे जुड़े रहने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नई वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकॉन को दबाएं। अगर आप ये वीडियो Facebook पर देख रहे हैं तो लाइक जरूर करें और ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें। धन्यवाद।